Hey there! Welcome to our quick safety talk on personal protective equipment, PPE. If you're in the manufacturing industry, you know that engineering controls are our first line of defense against injuries and fatalities. But let's be real, those controls can't do it all. That's where PPE comes in. It's essential for your safety. At Company Name, we follow all government regulations and uphold American national standards for PPE. But here's the deal, you also need to do your part. Get to know the types of PPE you might need and understand why they're crucial for your health and safety. Now, I get it. Sometimes PPE feels inconvenient or uncomfortable. Maybe you think, why bother if the supervisor's not watching? But remember, it's up to you to be a pro and recognize the life-saving benefits of PPE. If your PPE doesn't fit right or it's uncomfortable, don't just suck it up. Report it to your supervisor immediately for adjustments. Often it's just a matter of getting used to it. Think of it like a football player. You're more likely to win the game of life if you're protected from serious injury. Let's dive into the essentials. Foot protection, steel-toe boots, safety toe boots or safety shoes are non-negotiable if you're exposed to falling objects and puncture hazards. Always check for symbols on the footwear that show what kind of protection they offer. Hand and arm protection. Super important in manufacturing due to amputation hazards and harmful materials. Depending on your job, you might need leather, canvas, metal mesh, fabric, or chemical-resistant gloves. Head protection. If there's a risk of impact, falling objects, or electrical shock, you need head protection. Make sure it fits properly and maintain it to prevent failure during an accident. Full body protection. Sometimes you need full body protection against harmful agents in the workplace. When required, wear it in designated areas without exception. Hearing protection. Often overlooked but crucial to prevent permanent damage. And no, plain cotton doesn't count. Eye and face protection. If there's a risk of physical, chemical, or radiation damage, you need the right PPE. Everyday glasses don't qualify. Make sure you have PPE that fits over your spectacles. Respiratory protection. This is a big one. Without it, toxins can enter your body directly. Know how to use this PPE properly and understand its limitations. Stay safe, stay protected, and always wear your PPE. Your health and safety depend on it. Quick recap. PPE is essential for your safety in manufacturing. Foot, hand, head, full body, hearing, eye, and respiratory protection, all are crucial. Report any issues and always wear your PPE. Stay safe out there.